Hey guys, the good folks over at Keyjector sent me over this laminator to do a little box opening and show you what you get with it and demonstrate it. So let's get it opened up and see what we get. Have our user manual. Big sheets of laminating material. Little corner cutter. And the laminator itself. Now this one does have the paper cutter on it. You can put your paper under here and then you slide that across and cut the paper. This is a hot and cold laminator. It has a switch right here. You can switch it between cold and hot. If you're using the hot, you need to let it warm up. I believe it said like 90 seconds before it's ready to go. If you're going to switch over to do cold laminating, it will need to cool off a little bit. So when you switch it over to cold, give it a minute or two to cool off. If you get a paper jam, over here on the back, it has a release button right here. You can push that over and that will release the rollers in there so you can pull your paper out. That does come with your 4x6 sheets, your 5x8s, 8.5x11, and 11x16. Okay, just out of curiosity, it said it takes 90 seconds. Let's see how long it takes to heat it up. We're going to turn it on and hit start. Now our light should turn green when it's ready to go. That's pretty darn close. Okay, just for demonstration purposes and to try this thing out, I've got a little bathroom cleaning list. You see these hanging in bathrooms and stuff at restaurants and whatnot. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put this in here. You can go all the way, I'd leave about a quarter of an inch or so on the edge there. Of course you can cut it out and get it straight and whatnot. Just want to leave a little bit of an edge right here. And try to leave as much as you can on the sides. Just get it something like that. And we'll just feed it through there and let it do its thing. We're ready, got this ready. Now it's got numbers across here, and here's your center mark. This is the A6, A5, A4, and A3. Has little marks there. And we're on the A6 size, so just kind of get it somewhere in there. Got it in there, and it'll catch, and it'll start pulling. Just go in there slow, and it'll start pulling it through. And if it does happen to get jammed, remember you've got the little release button in the back. Now when this paper comes out, it's going to be rather warm, so you may want to just let it cool off for a moment. Coming out the back side here. And that's it. It has stopped. And there you go. Perfectly laminated. Now just a little bonus tip, not that it's a big deal, but if you laminated a checklist or a menu or a diet or anything like that, you could do your little check off. Just like that. And then when you got to the next day after Sunday was done, just erase it. Then you've got a clean paper ready to start on your next day. And as I mentioned, it does have this cutter on it. You can put your paper in there and you can slide that across and cut it. Like with this one, we're a little bit long. And put that in here. Get it lined up where you want it. Kind of hold it down right here and slide it across. That'll cut off that access. There you go. Now you do have the corner cutter. You can cut the corners a little bit if you need to. Slide that right up in there, like so. Squeeze it, and that'll cut that corner right off. Nice rounded corners. That one left a little burr, but not bad. Just make sure you push, the top corners are already cut, but make sure you push that down all the way. Don't just push it a little bit, it's gotta click. So push it so you hear that click. And that cuts all the way through. So if you're looking for a nice 13-inch hot and cold laminating machine with a cutter, you may want to check this one out. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.